The Theracare Leg Lifter from Theraposture is a simple, safe and cost-effective way to get your legs into bed. This simple daily task can prove difficult or even impossible for many people who may have lost muscle tone and therefore strength and general mobility. The leg lifter is compatible with most types of bed, whether they are non-adjustable or adjustable. It will comfortably lift legs up, over and onto the sleeping surface, requiring very little movement or repositioning. The Theracare Leg Lifter is unlike any other leg lifting device, as it is the only one that puts your legs onto the mattress and towards the middle of the bed. So, in summary, by choosing the Theracare Leg Lifter from Theraposture, you benefit from a solution for lifting legs into bed that works, assistance with positioning legs into the middle of the bed, fast and simple fitting, it only weighs 12 kilograms, left and right-handed versions for each side of the bed, proven safety, stability and reliability from the market leader, an ergonomic, aesthetically pleasing design, capability for lifting heavy and swollen legs, a 14-day suitability guarantee. Reduce carer intervention, maximise independence and eliminate care costs with the Theracare Leg Lifter from Theraposture. For further details, free phone 0800 834 654 to talk to one of our friendly, trusted assessors or to arrange a home demonstration. Thank you.